You got it?
Yeah, guess the spot your dog bit my ass. Why is it
Oh, 2 free drive.
The session is still going. Same thing.
Another free drive.
They're all in the face. The fucking thing went explode. So they can't get out of the So they're gonna keep running
them coming.
Fucking robbery. I paid $300.
What is that?
They all have cars in the garage.
Whew, that red train's running hot.
What's that?
Green
nice.
train a coming.
Oh, okay.
Run it up.
Come on, mini, minor, major. Mini, minor, major. Oh, I thought when I got that big car, I thought.
Is that for all the cars?
Yeah.
Keep that
No, just the green one. Just that one. That one now getting.
green train a coming.
Come on, mini, minor, major. All right. All right. Wow. I want to get that ticket up top. You see that shit up top? I got
Why
a
not take another
save.
spin, y'all?
Fuck yeah. Golden ticket. $5,615
Got your
penny
ticket
winner.
to win.
All right, now let's go.
We shall continue.
Look at this guy. He looks rich.
Look at all them riches.
I had all.
Oh, well,
Give
riches.
me the 30. Dallas me.
You don't need it. Oh, you need a 30.
We want to eat some food.
Coming in right on time.
There we go.
Nice.
And then clocks.
Cox?
Clocks.
Cock.
Clock that.
Well, at least give me my 30.
Clock that. I can choose clock that.
Soon as I get the bonus, we go.
Looks like something special's coming down the tracks.
Oh.
There we
Like
go.
something special.
I didn't do all 3.
What?
Yeah.
Next junction's coming
Ticket.
up fast. Next junction's coming up fast.
Play this one.
There's clear signals ahead.
Oh.
It's a great day to be a hoe.
Come on, you got a train to catch.
My brother's there.
Huh?
My brother's there at the race.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. My boys are at turn 4. They're staying at the Hilton Polo Tower.
We're making a good time
Overlooking
now.
like the Paris and Horseshoe and shit. A couple blocks away from there. So I'm gonna go down there like Saturday, hang out with him, go to their house.
Come on, you got a train to catch.
If he's doing Baccarat, he's gonna teach me Baccarat. I'm gonna bet $1 per play. Well, how are they gonna work that out?
Ooh, first class accommodations ahead.
This is a good life. I've been doing this with him since I was a baby.
First class accommodations ahead.
First class accommodation.
Before I turned 18, before I turned...
Come on, you got a train to catch.
Oh, got it. I think. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Trigger.
Go. Do it again.
Heading into finer territory.
I'll say shit. Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
Keep that boiler fired up.
Nice. Then now I get the training.
Heading into finer territory.
Wouldn't it be the shit if it gave me a mini, minor, major?
Mini, money, major.
I
Mini, money,
would.
major. Mini, money, major. Golden train. Damn it. Little 22, fucking 30, 35 out there. Like 2 cents though.
Full steam ahead. Right on schedule.
$3.75.
Go, come on. Again. That shit goes up every time?
The Reds always do, yeah.
Whoa.
Keep that throttle. Full steam ahead.
I'm fucking idiot wiped out.
$7,445.
You
Penny winner.
ticket
You
to
got yourself a ticket to win. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look at that.
that's a big win.
Yeah.
You're track ahead, partner.
Gamble responsibly. Always do your backup spins. With 13,295. Sure you gamble responsibly. Viva Las Vegas.